Okay, just filming this as we take it off where the spring is underneath it so it doesn't pop out. This is here. And that is the springs in there. You should just pop straight out with the spring attached to it. That spring will be reused. These are very different, quite well used. And wow, look at that. I don't know how much you noticed, but that's really worn out. So this is going to have a good upgrade with putting all these pieces in there. That looks quite burnt. Looks like we're not getting a lot of, yeah. So I took out all the terminals and I cleaned around here with this contact spray, not WD-40 or carb cleaner or any sort of thing like that. It's called contact. It's for electrical spray. Cleaned out this base, put this in, put that in. There's a piece here that goes through, then a piece here that goes on, and then that nuts in here. And so these are all the pieces that will go on the other side. This goes in, this goes through. It's a bit difficult to do it one-handed, so let's see how I succeed. So this one has a piece of, I forget what they're called, markings in there on the bolt that lock it in place as you pull it up. And that sits like that. This new plunger, it goes in, not that one, that's the old one. This one is a spring on it, but I'm not going to put the spring on yet. It goes in here. And down the bottom you'll see that goes into a piece down the bottom. So let's do that. And then it plunges. So when it plunges, guess what happens on the other side? It's a bit hard. Woohoo! Let's do it like this. Let's just get it plunged. That goes out, and the jack shaft's on the end of that, and when that pushes out, then the jack shaft goes into the starter clutch and the clutch basket and engages. So this is all going, this 12 volt literally goes through here. 12 volt electrifies this, that pushes down and makes a connection on these two. Pushes down and it makes a connection there, and the spring's there to push it back. This comes out, you see, and engages the starter clutch, the starter motor, the clutch basket to start the car, or in this case it's a Harley Davidson, so start the motorbike. Hope that makes more sense. So this is the finished product. This is fastened. Guess what goes there? The positive from the battery, the big starter cable goes down here. And this is a little 12 volt that sends 12 volt also into this. This is already connected on, bolted through, turns this on. And so what happens when I push the it's fine.